Introducing Spark Home's revolutionary sliding home design. Redefining the concept of modular living with unparalleled innovation and versatility. Our unique sliding homes offer studio, 1, 2, and 3-bedroom configurations, catering to various lifestyles and preferences. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, these residences boast contemporary aesthetics and exceptional functionality. What sets our sliding homes apart is their quick build concept. Developed by Spark Homes to streamline the construction process without compromising quality or style. Whether you're looking for a cozy studio retreat or a spacious family abode, our sliding homes adapt effortlessly to your needs. Experience the future of residential living with Spark Homes, where innovation meets comfort in every sliding home we build.